Okay, moving to next question, that is question number 15, exercise 2.2. This is also currency based questions. Okay, now what they have given, I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denominations rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. Okay, so we are having coins of rupees 1, 2 and 5, and what is the total money from these coins? It is rupees 300. Okay, number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of 5 coins. So they have given the relation between number of rupees 2 coins and number of rupees 5 coins. Whenever such condition is there, we can consider that the number of 5 coins be x, so that we can represent rupees 2 coins in terms of rupees 5. So here let us consider, let us take number of coins be x. Okay, so according to the given condition, number of rupees 2 coins will be, it is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. Okay, so 3 times, as already I have told you, whenever they are talking about times means we have to multiply. So it is 3 into number of rupees 5 coins. So how many 5 rupee coins are there? We have taken here x, so it will be 3 into x, or simply we can say it is 3x. So it is the number of rupees 2 coins. Okay, so now we have represented rupees 2 coins in terms of 5 rupee coins. So it will be 3x. I hope this part is clear. But what they have given, total number of coins they have given, it is 160. So total 160 coins are there. Now we have to use this to find the number of rupees 1 coins. Rupees 5 coins we are having, it is x. Rupees 2 coins we are having, it is 3x, and total number of coins is 160. So what will be the number of rupees 1 coins? Can we say 160 minus 5 and 2 coins? Okay, so here we can say 160 minus what is rupees 5 coins, it is x, and what is rupees 2 coins, it is 3x. Okay, so this is total. Out of this, if we subtract rupees 5 coins and rupees 2 coins, we'll get the number of rupees 1 coins. I hope this part is clear. So we have to open this bracket, so it will be 160. Here it will be minus. Okay, now first let us calculate here. 3x plus x, so it will be 4x. So here we can say it is 160 minus 4x. This is the total number of rupees 1 coin. Okay, now we have to find out amount from these coins. As earlier we have done in some questions, same way from this number of coins we have to find out the amount. So here rupees 5 coins, so it will be rupees 5 into how many coins of 5? It is x. So what will be the amount? It will be rupees 5x. We can say rupees 5x. Same way now we have to find out the amount from rupees 2 coins. So it will be rupees 2 into what is the number of rupees 2 coins? Here we have taken, it is 3x. So here we can say it will be 3x. Okay, so it will be 3x. That is nothing but we can say it is rupees 3 to the 6x. Now what is rupees 1 coin? It is rupees amount from rupees 1 coin, it is rupees 1 into how many number of rupees 1 coins? It is 160 minus 4x. So here we can say that it is rupees 1 into 160 minus 4x. Okay, that is nothing but we can write as rupees 160 minus 4x. Okay, now what is the total amount here? The total amount will be the amount from rupees 5 coins, the amount from rupees 2 coins and rupees 1 coin. So we have to add them. So what is the amount from rupees 5 coins? It is rupees 5x. So let us take out rupees common outside and let us add all this. So 5x, this is the money from rupees 5 coins, plus this 6x, which is the money from rupees 2 coins, plus 160 minus 4x. So 160 minus 4x. Okay, so here it will be, just add these like terms, 5x plus 6x minus 4x. So when we'll calculate, it will be 7x, and this is plus 160. Okay, so 7x plus 160, this is the total amount from these coins which we have calculated. Okay, now but it is given that total amount is rupees 300. So can we equate these two amounts because both are equal? So according to the given conditions, we can say that 7x plus 160 is equals to 300. Okay, now we have to take this to this side. Rest part you know by transpose method. 300 minus 160, so 7x is equals to 140. Okay, so x will be 140 divided by 7, that is x is equals to 7 to the 14 2, so it will be 20. So this is the number of rupees 5 coins. Now we have to find out rupees 2 coins, number of rupees 2 coins and number of rupees 5. So here required number of rupees 5 coins, that is x, that is 20. Here we have taken number of rupees 5 coins be x. So here number of rupees 5 coins is x, that is nothing but 20. Now what is rupees 2 coins? Number of rupees 2 coins we have taken 3x. So it will be 3x, that is 3 into 20, that is 60. Okay, and what is 1 rupee coin notes? How many coins of rupees 1? It is 160 minus 4x. So 160 minus 4x, so 160 minus 4 into 20. So we'll get total number of rupees 1 coins. Okay, this is all about question number 15.